For someone as simple as you, I deserve more than you are capable of.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know it's Janae Antoinette. Thank you everyone who has been supporting me, who's been liking my videos, watching my videos, have subscribed to my channel. I thank you so much. I keep doing this for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family, because you know, when your girls start blowing up on YouTube, I want y'all to be a part of that game. Say, I've been rocking with her since day one. I've been rocking day one when she was under 1,000 subscribers, when she was under 500 subscribers. I've been there rocking with her since day one. Go ahead and hit that button and be my day one. On a serious note, well, it's not really a serious note. What this video is going to be about today, as you can see the title, it is going to be another room tour. The last time you guys seen my room, it was like a Tiffany themed bedroom. It was like white and blue. I end up changing it for the fall. That's why you see like those little pumpkins down there. I'm about to go ahead and change this stuff out because I have like a lot of little fall winter accessories in my room right now. And fall/winter is about to be over, so I'm going to go ahead and change it again. But before I do change it, I want to give you guys an overview. I'm only going to mention the things that I changed in this video. I'm not going to go over where I got the bed from, where I got my mirror from. Not in this video, because I mentioned that in my last video, and I'll put a link at the bottom like I said, and you can just check that out if you want to see where I got some of the other bigger pieces from. But I'm not gonna ramble too long. Let's jump into the video.
I'm capable of giving. I want it to be a priority, but I'll settle as an option, you see. Because without you, my heart's offbeat. Alive, but don't think I'm capable of living. And once I think I put it back together, because of all the cracks you loved, I have to find a way to revive myself.
Okay, y'all, welcome back to my room. As y'all can see, I did change a few things. I now made my room colors like a mauve pink. I really love this. So a couple of changes I made is I got this rug. Not a rug. It's just kind of like it is a rug, but I threw it on my bed as a throw. And it's like a mauve cover. I got this from Home Goods. And then I also changed a couple of the pillows back here, as you can see. I have this new furry blush color pink that I added from Home Goods. Also, I have this color. It's just, I thought it was a pink in there, but it's not. But it kind of like all blends in with the blush tones. And then I also got this new pink pillow over here as well. And let's go to the other side, where you can see right over there I got that new fur pillow as well. Let me try to zoom in so y'all can see it. Those pillows are so soft. I love it. So all my pillows in this room did come from Home Goods. And I also added a pink pillow back there with that as well. I think that pillow is new too. I'm not sure if that was in my last video, but that's one of my favorite pillows as well. Another thing I added to the bed was I updated this tray on the bed. I added a mug that says "Hello Gorgeous." I got this from Target, and I put some little acorns in the inside, as you can see, because this was like for the fall. And I put a woodsy little LED camera. I'll turn that on for you guys. Right there, you can see it's on. It looks really cute at night. And I also added some pink books underneath this flower, this flower vase, and I got this from Home Goods as well as the two little books that's stacked underneath. So I think that's really cute. It ties the room all together. Then in this corner, I put pumpkins here for the fall/winter, and they're the frosted pumpkins you always see at the gallery. I love these pumpkins. Well, since fall/winter is about to be over, I'm going to go ahead and put them away now because the season is over with. What else did I add? Hi guys. I'm all dressed up because I'm about to go see Black Panther. If y'all seen it, write in the comments below how you felt about it. I already seen it once, but I want to see it again. So I'm going to go with one of my co-workers, well, ex-co-workers, Frida. Hey, Frida. Over here, I added like some frosted flowers in this vase. I got these flowers from At Home, not Home Goods. And then I also had added this little, I don't know, these branches, and they have like frosted bites on it too, or what, I don't really know what that is. But that just makes the room feel like a winter cozy feel as well. And then over here, I added like a cotton ball. And you can also see it's frosted as well. So this just gave my room like a winter wonderland frost look. And it's like really feminine and girly still. But that's it. That's all that I changed in my room. I hope that you guys like it. And I am going to be changing it up again. So I will be giving you another review really soon. I won't wait as long as I did with this one. I'm just going to go ahead, as soon as I switch it up, I'm just going to go ahead and film it and show you guys. Because you guys seem to really, really like how I put my room together. I love this. But catch you guys in my next video. Like I said, don't forget to hit that like button if you like this tour. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Bye guys.